Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can put quotes on your home screen. See, when I'm tapping on this, there is a new quote which is displaying for every tap, and this you can reset or refresh this for every 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours or 24 hours. Means if the date gets changed, there will be a new quote on your home screen. Not only this, you can also edit those colors and font and text. Say for example, okay, this is the color I want. I can apply. Go to your home screen. This is the output. And where is this code here? I'll tell you how you can keep this, and even you can change the font to your required font. Okay, so I didn't apply it actually. Apply. So the font gets changed. First of all, let me remove this and I'll again put it on the home screen so that you will get to know how you can put quotes like this on your home screen. First of all, you need to have this app on your mobile in order to get that quotes on the home screen. So this is the quotes app. Open the Play Store and just search for quotes widget. Okay, and this is the widget. You need to just remember the publisher name and install this. Once you install this, anyway, I'll be dropping the link in the description. If you want, you can check in the description. Press and hold on your home screen for a few seconds and click on widgets and scroll to the bottom until you find this quotes widget and drag this and drop it over here. Now you can adjust the text color here. Okay, right, this is the text color, this is the background color. Once you change, this is the fonts, quote text font. Maybe I'll change it to something else, and lot of settings. And see here, update every 2 hours. Maybe I'll make it to 24 hours, means not 24 hours. Yeah, for every new day I want a new quote on my screen. So see here, I have offended God and mankind by doing so little my life. Okay, like this you can actually increase this. Yeah, if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.